I'm Peter Fancy from Multiplex Services, and I'm here representing IWFM in the UAE and moderating the forum. It's been an interesting session and focus group. I guess as an FM service provider, we're always concerned with our relationship and the challenges that we face between service provider and client, upstream and downstream, and all too often we don't often concentrate on the challenges that are faced further downstream within the service portfolios that we manage. And certainly what has been clear from the forum and the discussion today is that the challenges that we are facing as an FM service provider upwards are exactly the same challenges that our service partners downstream are facing with FMs. So collectively, we all share the same problems. We just need to get together and find a fix.